Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to go over how to fix your Sonos soundbar not working on your Samsung Smart TV. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a Sonos soundbar connected to your Samsung Smart TV. How do you actually go ahead and fix it if your Sonos soundbar isn't working? Now, I recently ran into this issue and I was able to fix it myself. What initially happened was that my Sonos soundbar automatically usually connects to my TV and it plays sound, but for some reason it wasn't playing sound. So what I had to do is that I tried turning the TV on and off. That didn't work. I tried unplugging my Sonos. That didn't work. So I actually unplugged it from the HDMI cord here, or this one. And then what ultimately ended up working was that I removed the plugs and then I left it off for about 30 seconds and then I replugged it back in and then that fixed my sound. So something as simple as that was what was able to have my Sonos soundbar work again on my Samsung Smart TV. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix your Sonos soundbar sound not working on your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.